Thought I'd just spend a little time giving a little demonstration on how to clean crab real easy. So I pulled off a leg here, get that nice body meat out of there. And you can see with some of these are the little ends. Honestly, our cat ends up eating most of this.
Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess, Putty Tap. I'm sorry, Mama started a bad thing.
She's like, no you didn't, you started something good. Daisy,
hey!
We'll grab a little bigger leg to demonstrate with. Pull these apart. So what I'm going to do with this is down here where this body meat, that's the really, really good meat of the crab, I'm going to pull this softer membrane back, and I don't want to take the meat out until I've gotten all that out of the way, and then I'm just going to pull the meat out of here like this, so hopefully it comes out in one bigger piece. And with this I can take that little bit off the end there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap that leg like that and pull this out so that comes out clean. And what my goal here is to just snap and snap the other way, but not really bend it too far where it breaks. So hopefully what I'm getting is a nice big piece of crab like that coming out. And of course, if you're just eating crab legs at the table, it's always nice to have that great big piece. And kind of the same with this. What I'm going to do, this little thin one at the end up here, is I'm just going to try to weasel him out just like that. Take that piece off and add it to my pile. So that's cleaning crab, and it's kind of a little trick to learn how to do that well. So now when I get to the claw, what we're going to do is we're going to separate it from the first piece there. Got an intruder here. Set that aside. I'm going to pull the claw itself out of there. Looks like a little meat there. Hey, we need to get our claw here. I'm going to use my tool. Make sure it's kind of snapped out. I'm not crushing it completely. I'm not trying. I'm just trying to see it break apart like that so that I can break it apart and be in control of it. Because really what I'd like for this is just all come out together and not have to pick it. And there we go. All came out together. That. Okay. Got another leg here. Again, kind of the same routine. Just work this softer shell that was around the body portion. Peel that back. Watch out for intruders. I think we still got a little meat in there. Have to be careful with this is that she doesn't grab a hold of something and make a run for it. And again, same routine. I'm just pulling the meat out of here. I got this nice big hunk that came out all in one piece. I'm going to snap it there. You can see that leaves a little kind of a nub of meat sticking out there. We're going to take that, snap that apart, slide that out nice and smooth. Again, I probably need to guard my shells. That came out nice and easy. Just get that away. Snap one way, snap the other way, pull it out. Oh, that one didn't come out so easy. So get some of this meat off of here. See if I can get this to tug out. There we go. Got that taken care of. Okay, so I got some little pieces to work on here, and things like this you can just take your tool, try to work it out so it comes out as a lump. And that one worked out pretty well. That's really all there is to it. So I'm going to work on the rest of this if this young lady next to me will allow me.